Good morning, this is Gladys DeSavino. I am recording from the Keller Williams studio at our Clark Summit location. This video is specifically for new agents. So I had so much fun recording for you this weekend that I wanted to keep the momentum going. So the next part that I want to help you with is what you do with a buyer, okay, on Flex MLS after the showing. Okay, this is if maybe they didn't like the house or if they're still thinking about the house, they haven't decided yet. I want to show you how you set up these buyers for future business. So I was able to figure out how to get the full screen, so I should be able to see it a little bit easier this time. And just to remind you, there are scenes, okay, when you're recording, and you can pre-set up each of these scenes. I'm on the default scene right now, but then I'm going to switch over to a new scene which I made before I started recording, and that is the other desktop. That's what I want you guys to see. So when you have a buyer, this is how you're going to set them up in Flex. This is what I do with every client. Okay, so you can do it a little bit differently with different information for an owner thinking about selling, but this is specifically for your buyers. So hopefully you can see this, and here we go. So the first thing that you should do is you should set them up on a subscription, and I also want to help you email the information to your clients. So the first thing you're going to do is we're going to pick an address. So I'm going to go to the hot sheet. Okay. Let's say they want to see this new listing on 550 Clay. Okay. So what you would do, I just want to make sure you guys can see. You're going to click into the property. You're going to make sure that this box is checked. At the top of the screen, you'll see selected. That's what you choose. And you email here. And then you want to add a new contact. So I'm going to add myself. Hit save. That'll come up here, and that's now saved into your system. So you can either choose if you want a copy of it sent to you as well. I don't usually do that because it fills up my email, and then we can hit email right here. Okay, so that's how you email a single listing. Now let's say you want to put them on a subscription. So what I'll do is I'll go to quick search. Perhaps they're only looking in the Abingtons up to list price 180. Maybe they want at least 4 bedrooms, but no more than 5. Okay, there's nothing available. Wow, no 4 bedrooms available right now. Okay, let's see. 2 bedrooms. Here we go. This is just an example. Okay, so as you can see here, only 2 came up. I'm going to hit the top box. You'll see selected 2. I think it's really important to always make sure that you highlight selected at the top. And then you want to hit save, save search. If you wanted to make a new contact, you could do that right here, but I'm just going to choose, actually, no, this is for the subscription name. So down here, it's where the contact is, but up here, it's whether you've made a subscription yet. And for the particular contact name that I added, I did not. So I'm just going to add a new subscription name. Okay, so I'll just put Gladys Test, and then existing, type in my name, which I put as Gladys D. I don't know what I did just now. Sometimes I accidentally zoom and it causes a problem.